If you're an influencer like I am, you need to have accent lights in the background so that the lighting looks like a consequential lighting that is beautiful and sexy. I cannot show it now because, well, this is more a utilitarian setup. But if you want a beautiful accent light that gives you this warm feeling of permanence, then you need to get one of these antique banker's light. It's really beautiful. Brass with one of these warm 3200 Kelvin light bulbs. I'll put the links in the bottom. And it offers a really beautiful yellow hue. You see? It's really nice. It's so nice to have it because it just gives the room, it just offers, if you use it just to read or to just chill and hang out, it offers just a different like feeling, right? Rather than those really like harsh daylight 5600 and up lights. This 3200 light bulb gives it this beautiful look, and this surface right here is translucent, so you see it like glowing through it. And this is real brass. That's why it's staying. I need to, you need to keep on it and clean it, right? So that you can really essentially make it really shiny. But the truth is that this patina and this way it looks makes it more authentic, because it looks, like this lamp has been around for a long time. And yes, it has. So it's just a different look. Beautiful antique banker's light. Check it out.